Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be going over the cost and subscription plus the plans of YouTube TV in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. So first of all, it is noteworthy that YouTube TV has three base plans, and depending on what you're looking for, you can go for the base plan, which is of course a very popular plan, and this one goes for $62.99 per month, but let's just say $63 per month. And well, this is what you will be paying for this particular subscription for the next 3 months, and after the first 3 months what you will be paying is $72.99 per month. Well, we can say $73 per month, since of course that is what it looks like, right? Next up we have the Spanish plan, which goes at $34.99 per month. And after that we have the NFL Sunday Ticket bundle or standalone bundle, which starts at a 4-month payment of $87.25 per month, which brings it to a total of $349 per month. Now let's look at the base plan. So with the base plan, you have at least 800 plus live channels, unlimited DVR space, special features like key play views, and it supports 6 household accounts and 3 streams. So this is the plan we will be looking at today. Alright, so these are the supported channels on this plan. You can go through to make sure your favorite channel is supported on this plan before subscribing to this plan. Plus, your favorite add-ons can be here, but do remember you will need to pay extra for most of these add-ons. And well, yeah, that's kind of it. The add-ons, let's see, well, you do have to pay extra, like I said, for the add-ons, and their prices range from as low as $1 to as high as $15 plus monthly, and it comes with 7 days worth of free trial, as you can see right here. Now it all depends on what you're looking for, and over here to the Spanish plan, we'll just look at the channels that are supported. Well, not much actually. I think it says 30 plus Spanish networks, and let's look at the NFL Sunday. Alright, so this is actually a very special plan, so it's kind of limited to everything sports, and you can go on to see details as to how this plan works. So as you can see, we have the NFL Sunday Ticket plus YouTube TV. You can make payments for this in 4 different installments, or you can pay the annual fee of $349 a year. But the thing with this plan is you do require an active YouTube TV base plan, which is of course well, if you're a new user you will be paying less, but a base plan of at least $72.99 a month is necessary before you can get the NFL Sunday Ticket YouTube plan. Alright, and that's kind of like it for this plan. I think I'll just if you have questions, or there are some things you feel like you need to know before going for this plan, you can come over to tv.youtube.com, and you should see some information right here at the lower page of this particular page, and it should be able to answer most of your questions. So let's head over back to here, and I think we've covered the base plan, Spanish plan, and of course NFL Sunday Ticket bundle, or as I'd like to call it, the standalone bundle. So next up, let's look at something else. Let's click on try for free, and we should be taken to a page where we can sign up for an account. Alright, so here I'm just going to select this email right here, and if you don't have an email account, a Google Mail account, or a Gmail account rather, you do need to create one, since it's kind of like necessary for this, right? So get one ready, then use it to log in. So I'll just input a zip code right here, and I'll just click on this. Alright, so over here I need to choose a plan. So depending on what you're looking for, you will need to choose one of this. Now I know I said there are 3 basic plans, but like I said earlier, for you to purchase the NFL plan, you do need to have a base plan. As you can see right here, you can see save on NFL Sunday Ticket, meaning that this plan kind of comes with, well, the base plan allows you to purchase the NFL Sunday Ticket. So it's kind of like a criteria, right? But as you can see right here, it doesn't come with this one. Now though the Spanish plan is cheaper, like I said, it's all about personal preference, but the base plan is basically what you will mostly go for. Now I'll just click on it right there, so it's selected, and as you can see, 6 accounts per household, unlimited DVR space, includes 124 channels. I can view more channels if I want to, but I think this let's just proceed, right? So this base plan comes with a 10-day worth of free trial, and I know most of you might be wondering why 10 days, but that's kind of like what it is right there. So you're going to be paying $62.99, or we can look at this as being $63 a month for the next 3 months, and after that you'll be required to pay about $72.99 a month. Now you can add a promo code right here if you have promo code, so you can go out and Google and just see if you can find yourself some promo codes. Alright, that said, let's head over to here and let's just move on. Let's click next. Alright, so this is a screen where you will be asked to add, where you will need to pick an add-on if that's something you're looking for. So there are a ton of add-ons right here on this page, but do remember you're going to have to be paying extra for these add-ons. So I'll just select let's see, comedy dynamics. Let's just click this one, and as you can see, this add-on comes with a 7-day free trial with about $4.99 a month. And I can select as many add-ons as I want, but do remember that you will be paying extra for these add-ons. And I'll just proceed to checkout. Alright, and as you can see, this is the checkout page. I can choose to pay via PayPal or with Google Pay. It all depends on what you're looking to pay with, and once I'm done with that, I will click on Start Membership, and from there a new window will be opened where you can securely purchase the subscription. So it's all a matter of what you want. Just follow the prompt and you will be okay. So after that, your free 10 days trial will begin, and you can choose to opt out of the service after that. If it doesn't really suit your preference, then you can choose to opt out of the service after 10 days, or before 10 days rather. So with that said, that is the end of this video. I believe we've covered everything you need to know about YouTube TV subscription and the pricing. And so with that said, if this video gave you some insights or tips on how best to go with purchasing a YouTube TV plan based on pricing, then do well to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in another video.